Good day. My name is Bryant Sabur, and the following is my presentation of lessons learned abstract titled Youth in an Intersectional Advocacy Effort Against the Indonesian Penal Code Revision that Violates Sexual and Reproductive Rights. For the outline, we will start with the introduction, followed by the methods. We will then go into the result, and finally, the conclusion. For a little bit of background, the Indonesian Penal Code is a legacy from the colonial era. As such, it is severely outdated. For example, the definition of rape is limited to the penetration of penis to the vagina, and only females are acknowledged as victims. Efforts to revise has been underway for decades. The National Alliance for Reforming the Penal Code from the civil society organizations, including youth organizations, has been at work for over a decade, giving input to the government. However, Indonesian conservatism has significantly increased over the last few years and has influenced discussions, with the final revision planning to ban all abortion, restrict contraceptive information dissemination, and criminalize premarital sex, as well as other issues outside the scope of SRHR, such as corruption, environment, social issues, etc. This is despite the various inputs from the Alliance. In response, an intersectional advocacy is implemented, bringing support from other fields to delay the revision to the next government term. For the methods, a coalition is formed with other alliances intersecting with the penal code, such as anti-corruption activists fighting a bill that would weaken anti-corruption efforts, gender activists pushing for a bill to end sexual violence, and indigenous activists who are fighting a bill that would deregulate mining activities and thus threatening the environment. Alliances are built everywhere, not just concentrated in the capital of Jakarta, which has been a critique of national dialogue. Youth took part in various efforts, such as consolidating in various regions, participating in the formation of the Coalition 7 Demands, also took part in ensuring a youth-friendly online campaign, ensuring that the various problematic articles were brought to light, and raising public awareness. The result was that the coalition was able to take off fast, with even high school students taking part in street protests. The political pressure from these various protests everywhere was able to delay the penal code revision to the next government term, who themselves have promised to listen to more input from the public. The online campaign was able to help the public identify the specifics in the revised penal code that needed change, including the SRHR articles. This resulted in an online discourse regarding the law and SRHR, including policy making. And more young people are now also aware of the political process involved in it. They are also more aware about their sexual and reproductive rights, raised through engagement during the online campaign. The conclusion of this is that the inclusive intersectional advocacy was able to delay the revision, and the coalition built will be able to rally more support from various parties, not just their own issue, to advance the various human rights issues. The coalition is still engaging the public, such as holding concerts and to continue the public advocacy. For the revision, active lobbying to the new government is still needed to address the various problematic articles. More aware and engaged youth also means that more youth are aware of their rights and how to engage in decision making, from the highest level of advocacy to the government to the grassroots, even in street protests. Thank you for your attention and for your time.